One way to gain a little extra storage in a workshop or garage area is to look up and use one of these guys to hang things up high.
Absolutely, Danny. Screw hooks are really handy for suspending things from exposed rafters or joists like we have here. The challenge is when you have more than one or two to install, they can get really tedious and difficult to put in by hand. So what I've found is a much easier way using a drill. Now, the first thing you need to do is bore a pilot hole.
Yeah, that's almost a necessity on any size hook, isn't it?
Absolutely. And then you just get it started. Now, in the past, what I've done, and I think a lot of people have done, is just used a screwdriver to turn it in.
Right.
But again, if you have a lot of them, it'll take you all day.
Sure.
So here's the trick. Take another screw hook and chuck it into a drill. It has to be really tight. But once that's chucked in, you can use that as a little power driver. Just hook it on and keep it pretty slow, and you'll see it just drives it right in. And then you can use the screwdriver to just position it. You know, if you want to turn it one way or the other, you turn it all the way around. Another thing that works really well are a pair of locking pliers. Snap them on there, and you can turn them like that as well.
Well, I think you can figure out a way to use a power drill for just about anything.
Absolutely.